Here Sajan is receiving the goods, so debit Sajan, Sajan's account data to sales account because goods goes from the business. So actually the amount that has to be paid to Namrata is 30,000, out of which first we have paid 15,000. Next we had to pay 15,000. So when goods is sold, what comes to you? Cash, and what goes out from you? That is goods. Hello everyone, I am Harshita, lecturer, Department of Commerce, Vidhyaashram First Grade College, the Temple of Excellence, MYSURU. My dear students, today we are in the third session of Unit 2 of the subject Fundamentals of Business Accounting, and this is for first sem B.B.A students. So your Unit 2 is all about accounting process. So already we have discussed few of the concepts. So let us quickly recall what we have discussed in a previous session. So in a previous session, we had solved a problem on journal entries. Before that, we have learned what is this journal, what are the features of journal, and journal is also called as book of original entry. And we had solved a 15 marks problem on journal entries. In today's session also, we shall continue with few more problems. So go through the problem here. Journalize the following transaction in the books of Summa Private Limited. So they have given the certain transactions of Summa Private Limited where they are asking us to prepare the journal entry or record the journal entries. Okay, so go through the first one. January 1st, 2019. Commenced business with cash rupees 2 lakh and building rupees 50,000. Now what is a journal entry? Now for the first time they are going to invest cash rupees 2 lakh and building worth rupees 50,000. So what it is called as? It is called as capital. So what is your journal entry? That is cash account debtor, building account debtor to capital account. So we shall record the entry. Before that, you know the format. That is journal entries in the books of Summa Private Limited, and the format is date, particulars, ledger folio, debit rupees and credit rupees. Now we shall go through the first entry. It is 1st Jan 2019. That is 1/1/2019. Cash account debtor, building account debtor to capital account. 1/1/2019. Cash account debtor, building account debtor to capital account. To capital account. So what is the amount of cash which is been invested? It is 2 lakh and the building is 50,000. So here it is 2 lakh. Here it is 50,000 and in the credit side 2 lakh 50,000. Now, what is the narration you can write here? Being business started with cash as well as building. Being business started with cash and building. Close the bracket. So, this is a narration. So make sure that you will write the narration. So what is a narration? Narration is a brief explanation about the journal entry. Now come to the second one. Jan 2nd, 2/1/2019, goods purchased for cash. Now what is the journal entry? Purchaser's account debtor to cash account because goods comes to you. So debit purchaser's account and cash goes from you to cash account. Okay, so purchaser's account debtor to cash account. 2/1/2019, purchaser's account debtor to cash account. Write the narration. Being goods purchased. Being goods purchased for cash. And what is the amount? 35,000. 35,000. So hope you are clear with the second journal entry. Now go to the third one. Jan 3rd sold goods to Sajan. So here Sajan is receiving the goods. So debit Sajan. Sajan's account data to sales account because goods goes from the business. So it has been sold. So Sajan's account data to sales account 30,000. 3/1/2019. Sajan's account data 30,000 is the amount to sales account. To sales account. Write the narration being goods sold to Sajan. Close the bracket. And the amount is how much? 30,000 in the credit side. Now coming to the next one. Jan 5th, paid wages. So what is your entry? So wages is an expense. So your golden rule tells that debit all expenses and losses. And when you are paying wages, so wages you are going to debit because it is an expense. And what goes from you? Cash. Okay, so wages account data to cash account. How much? 100. So 5/1/2019. So 2019 wages account data to cash account. Write the narration being wages paid. Close the bracket. And what is the amount? Amount is rupees 100. 100 in the debit side and 100 in the credit side. Next one. Jan 6 sold goods for cash. Okay, so here goods is being sold for cash. So when goods is sold, what comes to you? Cash. And what goes out from you? That is goods. So instead of goods, we will record it as sales because goods is been sold. So cash account data to sales account 15,000. And the date is 6th. So 6/1/2019 cash account data to sales account. Write the narration being goods sold for cash. And what is the amount? And the amount is 15,000. 15,000 in the debit side and 15,000 in the credit side. So hope you are clear. Next one, after 6th, that is 9th. Paid for trade expenses. So trade expenses is an expenses where the rule tells that debit all expenses and losses. So when you are paying trade expenses, cash goes from you. So you have to credit cash. So your entry will be trade expenses account data to cash. How much? 700. So 9/1/2019 trade expenses account data to cash account. And the amount is 900. So what would be the narration? Being trade expenses paid. Being trade expenses paid. Close the bracket. Now coming to the next one. Jan 12th, cash received from Sajan 29,500. So the what amount or what is the amount to be received from him? That is 30,000. But how much we have received? That is 29,500. In a sense, we have allowed a discount of rupees how much? 500. Okay, now what is the entry? Cash received from Sajan. So what is the entry? Cash account data, discount allowed account data to Sajan's account because we are going to receive from him. So always remember discount allowed has to be debited. Okay, so cash account data, discount allowed account data to Sajan's account. that is 12th, 12/1/2019, we are receiving cash. So cash account debtor, discount allowed account debtor, to Sajjan's account. So what is the narration? Being cash received and discount allowed. Being cash received and discount allowed. So what is the amount received? 29,500 and 500 is a discount. So 29,500 is a cash and 500 is a discount. So the total amount is 30,000. Next one. So after 12th. Next is 14th. Goods purchased from Pallavi. So we are going to purchase goods from Pallavi, not on cash basis, because they have not mentioned the word, they have mentioned the name of the person. So goods purchased from Pallavi. So what is your journal entry? Purchaser's account debtor to Pallavi's account 27,000. So 14/1/2019, purchaser's account debtor to Pallavi's account. So narration being goods purchased from Pallavi. Being goods purchased from Pallavi. On credit also you can write. So what is the goods purchased? 27,000. 27,000. 27,000 in the debit and 27,000 in the credit. Next one, 18th. Cartage paid. So cartage is an expense. So debit all expenses. So cartage account debtor to cash account. How much? 500. So 18/1/2019. Your entry is cartage account debtor to cash account, because cash goes out from the business. So what is the narration? Being cartage paid. Close the bracket. And what is the amount of cartage? 500. So record this 500. 500. Next one. Drew cash for personal use. So here cash is withdrawn for personal use. So remember this word, if it is withdrawn for personal use, so what it is called as? Drawings. So what is your entry? Drawings account debtor to cash account. How much? 6,000. So 22nd, 22/1/2019, your entry is drawings account debtor to cash account. So what is the narration? Being cash withdrawn for personal use. Being cash withdrawn for personal use. Close the bracket. And what is the amount of cash withdrawn? It is 6,000. So debit 6,000 and credit 6,000. Next one, 24th. Goods used for household purpose. Now remember, they have not used the cash, they have used the goods. In the sense, purchase decreases. So if it is for household purpose, it's nothing but it is also what? Drawings. Okay. So drawings account debtor to purchaser's account. Why you are crediting purchase? Because it is not cash, it is goods. So that your purchases decreases. So drawings account debtor to purchaser's account. So what is the amount? 4,000. So 24/1/2019, your entry will be drawings account debtor to purchasers account. To purchasers account. So, what is the narration? Being goods withdrawn for household purpose. It's nothing but personal purpose only. So, household purpose. Close the bracket. So, what is the amount? And the amount is 4,000. 4,000. Next one. 26th. Cash paid to Pallavi 26,700 and discount received 300. So, always remember discount allowed to be debited and discount received should be credited. Okay, so cash paid to Pallavi. So, what is the amount to be paid to Pallavi? That is 27,000. Actual amount to be paid. But how much we have paid? Only 26,700. In the sense, 300 we have received the discount. So, what is the entry when cash paid to Pallavi? Pallavi's account data to cash account to discount received account. So, 26/1/2019. So, cash paid to Pallavi. So, Pallavi's account debtor to cash account to discount received account. To discount received account. Now, what is the cash that has to be paid to Pallavi? That is 27,000 where we have paid only 26,700. So, actual amount to be paid is 27,000 but we have paid only 26,700. So, remaining 300 is what? Discount received. So, what is the narration? Being cash paid and discount received. Being cash paid and discount received. So, this is how you are going to record the journal entry. Then as I told you, you have to total. So, total all the amount in the debit side from the beginning and all the amount in the credit side. So, you have to get the same amount here. Okay. So, hope you are clear how you have to record the journal entries. Now, moving on to the next problem. Journalize the following transaction in the books of Kaushik Traders 2018. So, they have given the transactions relating to Kaushik Traders where you have to record the journal entries. Now, go through the first journal entry. November 1st, started business. Cash 1,20,000, goods 30,000. So, how do you record the journal entry? So, this is the initial investment. So, they have started. So, what it is called as? Capital. So, what is your journal entry? Cash account debtor, stock account debtor, to capital account. So, what is the amount? 1,50,000. That is 1,20,000 plus 30,000. So, record the first one. So, before that, as you all know, you have to write the heading as well as the format. So, what is the heading? Journal entries in the books of Kaushik Traders, and the format is date, particulars, ledger folio, debit rupees and credit rupees. Now, go through the first entry, 1st November. It is cash account data, stock account data to capital account. 1st November 2018. So, what is the entry? Cash account data, stock account data to capital account. To capital account. So, what is the narration? Being business started with cash and stock. Being business started with cash and stock. So, what is the cash? 1,20,000 and the goods. So, goods can be written as stock. So 1,20,000 and 30. So 1,20,000 and the stock is 30,000. So the total is 1,50,000. Okay. Now coming to the next one. November 2nd, purchase goods from Namrata. So what is your journal entry? So here they have not mentioned the word cash. They have given the name of the person. In the sense we have purchased on credit basis. So purchasers account data to Namrata's account, how much? 30,000. So 2/11/2018. So your entry is purchasers account debtor to Namrata's account. To Namrata's account being goods purchased on credit. Close the bracket. So what is the amount? That is 30,000. So write 30,000 in the debit side and 30,000 in the credit side. Next one. Cash sales. November 5th, cash sales. In the sense they have sold goods on cash basis. So what is your journal entry? When you are selling goods on cash, what comes to you? Cash. And what goes from you? Goods, but you will not record it as goods, you will record it as sales. So your entry will be cash account data to sales account and the amount is how much? 15,000. That is 5/11/2018 cash account debtor to sales account. So what is the narration you can write? Being cash sales made. Being cash sales made. So what is the amount? It is 15,000. 15,000 in the debit side and 15,000 in the credit side. So hope you are clear with all the three entries. Now coming to the next one, November 8th, purchase furniture for cash. So here they have purchased the furniture. Only in case of goods we will record it as purchase as well as sales. But relating to any other asset, we will write the name of the asset. Okay, so here they have purchased a furniture for cash worth rupees how much? 5,000. So what is your journal entry? Furniture account data to cash account, because furniture comes to the business and cash goes out of the business. So your entry will be furniture account data to cash account and the amount is 5,000. So 8/11/2018 furniture account debtor to cash account. So what is the narration? Being furniture purchased for cash. Being furniture purchased for cash. And what is the amount? So furniture is 5,000. 5,000. Next one. Cash paid to Namrata on account. So they are going to pay the cash on account. So what is the entry when cash is paid to Namrata? Namrata's account data to cash account. How much? 15,000. So what is the date? 10th. 10/11/18 cash paid to Namrata. So Namrata's account debtor to cash account. So what is the amount paid? 15,000. So what is the narration? Being cash paid to Namrata. Being cash paid to Namrata. Next one. Paid sundry expenses. So sundry expenses, what? It is a expense. So what does the rule tells? Debit all expenses and losses. So when you are paying sundry expenses, what goes from you? Cash. So what is the journal entry? Sundry expenses account data to cash. And what is the amount? It is 850. So what is the date? 13th. 13/11/2018. Sundry expenses account data to cash account. So what is the narration? Being sundry expenses paid. Being sundry expenses paid. And what is the amount of sundry expenses? That is 850. So 850 in the debit side and 850 in the credit side. Next one, after 13th, 18th, deposited into bank. How much? 5,000. So you are going to deposit into bank. So where does the money go? Bank. What goes from you? What goes out from you? Cash. So bank account data to cash account. So how much? 5,000. It is on 18th. 18/11/18. Bank account data to cash account. So what is the amount? 5,000. 5,000 in the debit side and 5,000 in the credit side. So how you can write the narration? Being cash paid or deposited. Being cash paid into bank. Close the bracket. Next one, after 18th, we have 20th. Drew cash for personal use. So what it is called as? So they have mentioned the word personal use. It means what? Drawings. So it is called as what? Drawings. So what is your entry? Drawings account data to cash, because cash is withdrawn. How much? 1,000. So what is the date? 20th. 20/11/2018. Drawings account data to cash account. So how you can write the narration? Being cash withdrawn for personal use. Close the bracket. So what is the amount? That is 1,000. 1,000. Next one, 22nd, cash paid to Namrata in full settlement of account 14,700. Now what is the total amount that has to be paid to Namrata? 30,000. Out of which, how much they have actually paid? That is 15,000. So minus 15,000. So the remaining amount to be paid is 15,000. But how much they have paid? That is cash paid to Namrata, full settlement of his account. So 15,000 had to pay, but they have paid only 14,700. In the sense, 300 is what? 300 is discount. In the sense, cash paid to Namrata. So we are receiving the discount. Discount of how much? 300 rupees. So actually the amount that has to be paid to Namrata is 30,000. Out of which first we have paid 15,000. Next we had to pay 15,000. But how much we have actually paid? Only 14,700. In the sense 300 is what? Discount. So we have received the discount. So what is the entry? Namrata's account data to cash account to discount received account. So when is the date? 22nd. So 22nd 11/2018. Namrata's account data. Namrata's account data to cash account to discount received account. to discount received account. So what is the amount that has to be paid to Namrata? 15,000. But how much we have actually paid? It is 14,700. So 300 is discount. So 14,700 and 300 is what? Discount. So how you can write the narration? Being cash paid and discount received. Cash paid and discount received. So hope you're clear about this entry. Next one, after 22nd, 25th. Goods sold to Nischal. So here they have not told that whether we have sold on cash basis. So it means that they have given the name of the person. It means that we have sold on credit basis. So what is the entry? Who is receiving that goods? Nischal. So Nischal's account data to sales account. And what is the amount? 7,000. So what is the date? 25th. 25th, 11/2018. Nischal's account debtor to sales account. So write the narration being goods sold to Nischal. Being goods sold to Nischal. So what is the amount that has been sold? It is 7,000. 7,000. Now coming to the next one after 25th. So we have 29th. Received cash from Nischal and discount allowed, that is 6,800 and 200. So cash received from Nischal is 6,800. Discount allowed is 200. So as I've already told you, discount allowed we have to debit. So cash received. So cash account data, discount allowed account data to Nischal's account. That is 29th. 29/11/2018. So we are receiving cash. So cash account data. We are allowing discount. So discount allowed. Discount allowed account debtor to, from whom? Nischal's account. From whom we are receiving? From Nischal. So what is the narration? Being cash received and discount allowed. Being cash received and discount allowed. So how much cash we have received? 6,800 and 200 is a discount. So cash is 6,800, 200 is a discount. So the total amount is 7,000. So hope you are clear about this entry. So these entries where there is more than one debit or one credit is called as what? Compound journal entry. Next, last entry, goods destroyed by fire. So here goods is being destroyed by fire. So what decreases? Goods decreases. In the sense purchase decreases. Worth how much? 1,500. So what is your journal entry? Goods destroyed by fire account data to purchasers account. That is on 30th. 30th November 2018. Goods destroyed by fire account debtor to purchasers account. To purchasers account. So write the narration being goods destroyed by fire. Being goods destroyed by fire. Close the bracket. So what is the amount of goods destroyed? 1,500. So write that 1,500. Yes, we are done with all the journal entry. Next, as usual, we have to total the column of all the debit and all the credit, and both the sides should be equal. So this would be the total of all the debit column and all the credit column. So this is how you will record your journal entry, and make sure that you will follow each and every step. That is, how to write the date, how to write the entry, and after each and every entry you have to draw the column only to the particulars, not to the date and not to the amount column. So why you are not drawing lines to the amount as well as date column? Because it will continue. So whereas particulars, after each and every entry, so you will draw column because it is the end of that particular entry. So this is how you can expect a question for 15 marks also. That is a problem on journal entries. So my dear students, in my next session, I am going to solve a problem on ledger accounts. That is, we are done with the journal. We shall continue with ledger accounts. We shall see how we have to prepare the ledger accounts. That is the next step of journal. That is the ledger account. That is, after recording in journal, will those entries to the ledger accounts. So my dear students, hope you have understood today's session. See you all in my next session with a new topic. Till then, take care. Thank you.